Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, September the 18th, 2013. And here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. Just want to give you guys a quick update today. I know it's pretty slow today as we have some key reports coming out from the FOMC. We have FOMC meeting announcement at 2 o'clock, of course, which will include the FOMC forecast. And 2:30 p.m. we have the chairman press conference. As you guys know, the market's going to be pretty volatile when all that information comes out. And then usually after 3 o'clock, 3:30 usually dies down. We pick some type of trend or direction. And then even after that happens, it can still be a little bit choppy. So make sure you are on your P's and Q's. Make sure you manage your risk accordingly. Tomorrow will probably be the better day to trade as everybody gets to kind of digest the news, kind of digest the announcement, and then figure out how they're going to maneuver their portfolios and positions around. Okay, so just taking a quick look at the market right now. The Dow Jones here, real quick, let's go over the indices here. The Dow Jones is down 56 points. The Nasdaq's down 7 points. S&P 500 is down a little over 4 points. The Russell 2000 futures, they're down 9 points, down close to 1%. Russell 2000 is the weakest index today. Nasdaq's kind of hanging in there steady, and the Nasdaq's trying to hang in there. And then you have the Dow down 57 as well. Nasdaq showing a little bit of strength today because of Apple. Apple had some positive news out by one of the firms out there, but then even then, Apple has been fading. Uh, Apple has been fading most of the move from the highs here. Hit a high today of 466, and now it's trading 462 after making a low from that little high around 460. So we'll keep an eye on that. But in any case, the markets. The fading back down today. We have crude oil, USO up 64 cents, showing some strength today. GLD gold's down $1.11. GDX gold miners are down 41 cents. Copper showing some nice strength today, up 65 cents. Silver's down 44 cents. So mixed action in the precious metals and the commodity space. So taking a look here at the ES, we could not break above 16.99. Yesterday's previous close, we could not even attempt to break over. Well, we couldn't even break over this 16.99 quarter, yesterday's highs, and we've been fading since then. Again, the market action is pretty slow, pretty muted, and the afternoons will be where the fireworks are at. If you take a look at the setup that we had on the 5-minute chart of the ES, now nice little downward channel, a little bear flag action, a little nice little upward bear flag action from this little down move in this downward channel. That's where it will cause a sell-off. Try to break back in the channel, we got rejected, and then we moved right back to the downside, folks. So again, some levels to watch going forward in the afternoon session here. You want to watch this key 1692 area, 1690 area, 1688. If we break below 1688, that would not be good if we were to sell all the way down there, of course. We could hit 1686, 1684, and we'll have some more levels if you come to our chat room, mywallstreettv.com. We'll have some levels in there for everybody to watch for the bottom side and for the top side action. All right, as far as some, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the ETFs here. All right, you can see the SPY, nice little move down here. All right, looks much nicer. It looks much cleaner than the ES chart, which looks a little more choppy, but you can see nice little bear flag on the S&P here. We broke down, measured move of that bear flag from 171.10 to say 170.80 or 170.70. So we're talking about what, 40 cents there. So 40 cents from the breakdown, 70.80 gives us a target of 170.40 for this nice little ABC bear flag move. So we could retest yesterday's lows, which would be the target of this measured move from the pattern. Again, taking a look at the triple Qs, you can see here we gapped up, right, but we were not able to hold those gains once we started holding below the previous day's highs, which is this red line right here. We started getting some selling pressure there, and then taking a look at the Russell 2000, you can see this one has just been in straight sell mode from the open. Looks like it wants to head down towards the previous day's lows, which is 105.04, which also lines up with the previous day's open. And then we have a little slight gap fill down here around 104.95 or so. All right, but in general, I mean, the markets, again, it's fading here. Everything's going to be kind of quiet until the afternoon session, and therefore right now we're just kind of in wait and see mode. We're not really doing I'm not really doing much. A lot of the trades and offices are just sitting around waiting for the next move. As far as some stock plays go, let's see what's in play here. Some stocks that are in play, You have Pandora. Pandora has some news out. All right, Pandora has some news out, so we're looking at that stock to make another move higher. Potentially, got to watch this one in the afternoon, and it wasn't play. We were watching this one this morning. We actually told the traders in the room to watch Pandora this morning, so hopefully some of them were able to catch that. FedEx, FDX, this one's in play as well from earnings. You can see the stock rallied up pretty nice on the open, pulled back in, and now it's forming this nice little tight triangle. So keep an eye on that right there. So far, lower highs, higher lows, little tight pattern here. What else? Some of the coal stocks are in play today. Well, not even in play. They're just near the top of my watch list here. That's why I'm just talking about them. But WLT, BLT, some of these stocks have been showing some strength, so we'll keep an eye on these ones going forward as well. That's about it, folks. So aside from that, have a great day. Again, sorry for the little short video here. There's really not much to talk about until we come out with this news around 2:30, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2:30 is the conference, and then 3 o'clock is where the action kind of settles down a bit. We could try to hopefully catch some type of trend. Have a great day, folks. Catch you guys for the after the bell market summary. Cheers.